So I had seen this design in January 2020, but I was not able to find anybody to print this design and make it in a wrap and wrap my bike. So after lockdown, I got in touch with one of my friend and he gave me contact of Shubham, and I saw his work and I gave my bike to him on 17th of October. And yeah, after 3 days he gave me the bike with this amazing wrap and I'm loving it since then. My friends were very worried about me spending the money on my bike for wraps, but as soon as they saw the bike they were like it's worth it and every part of the design is worth of. So yeah, that's it. I'm very happy with the design. Thank you.